don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Themba Wethu, this video is brought to you by EASYBET. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 rand sign-up bonus. And also, T&Cs apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. FANS Wethu TV, it's the Pathway Premiership, Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Chippa 0, I'm joined by Semi Fever.
Yeah, my brother, let me tell you something. I've had people talking throughout the year.
Yeah.
I said I will meet you one day.
Yes.
And one day is today.
Yes.
I still want to tell people.
Tell them.
They kept on saying, mathematically speaking, Pirates will win.
Yes.
But mathematics doesn't work only one side.
Yes.
Mathematically speaking, we have taken the league today. Bon, let me tell you something. It's like about Putin. Bon, Sundowns is that team which doesn't talk too much. We talk inside the field of play. Ke wisha ntho ne ka siral gore re draw le Pirates ka di game ne le ga di points ke bona re bona goal difference e ya 1 million e ra leng yona o tla re kere he ke tswa ke we tse re me re tshile re tsarane ka